Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to trade Euro NZ. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe before we can continue. So guys, today I'm going to teach you again how to trade Euro NZ. So as you look at this, if you look at this market, it is in an uptrend. So what you are supposed to do in an uptrend is to buy. So how will you buy? So one of the ways to know where you're going to buy is you need to use a trend line. First of all, you need to draw a trend line and it should touch at least 3 points. Like here you see it has touched 1, 2, and 3. So guys, here now we can confirm that this is a trend line, that the market is respecting the trend line. So guys, also you can see in this trade, there's a lot. If you plot the Fibonacci here, you can see that it is respecting this level. There's an intersection at this level. There's a confluence actually going around this level. So guys, here we are looking for a buy signal. So, and we already have a buy signal, which is a bullish engulfing. So guys, in this market here, we are supposed to be buying this market. So guys, this is my analysis for today. So guys, if you are trading Euro and Z, you should be placing a buy towards the direction of the trend. Do not trade against the trend, because it's very risky. Just follow the trend and you are going to be profitable. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you, and see you next time.